Prospan E575, made of patented ivy leaves dry extract, is the #1 phyto cough medicine sold worldwide. As Prospan becomes increasingly popular, many ivy leaves brands appear in the market and they claim to be equivalent to Prospan. But are they really the same? Let's find out. Here you can see that Prospan's bottle is made of glass while many others are plastics. Herbal extracts are best stored in glass bottles, as they have the potential to react with the plastic, and cause the plastic to degrade into the product. The two main active constituents, alpha-hedarin and hydrochloride C in Prospan, have been identified and scientifically proven to be responsible for its modes of action. The other brands that were tested in Germany showed that most of them contain zero or negligible amount of the active constituents. Now, let us do a visual inspection and comparison of the various ivy leaves brands. Prospan uses a no-spill spout which prevents spillage and staining of the bottle. It is also easy to administer accurate doses and minimize wastages. As you can see, Prospan syrup is clear and free from any sediments or particles. In fact, it is so clear that you can see through to the bottom of the glass. And what about other brands? Let's pour them out too. You will see here that brand A, B, C, and D contain sediments and foreign particles. Let's shake them up a bit so you can see it clearer. Brand E, F, and G all appears cloudy, which is different from Prospan, which is a clear syrup. There are more than 150 species of ivy leaves. Different species and manufacturing methods yield different constituents in the final extract. Unlike all other brands, only Prospan E575 has scientific proof for its four modes of action, namely, dissolves mucus, relaxes airways muscles, anti-inflammatory, and relieves cough. The only ivy leaves brand, clinically tested and proven to be safe and effective for infants and adults. Look for Prospan, ask for Prospan.